Okay, now he's getting ready to route out a groove where he'd cut that piece. So he's getting his router set up for it. There's a better view of his router bits, but he don't know if he's got one that'll work for that.
Alrighty then. Loosen it up, pull the old bit out.
Well, I wasn't recording when you locked it, but anyway, you lock it underneath. Or it'll just keep turning while you're using that little wrench.
Yep. Now I need to get my depth. I guess I could do it like this even easier. Set my depth. This is similar to a drill motor, except you use a wrench to do it. And it tightens it up. Now you got your depth set. Now we got to put our fence back up so we can get it centered up the way we want it. And you undo the lock. Okay. Get up and out, turn it freely. Now the fun part.
That's called a fence, or is that just what you call it?
That's what I call it. I think that's what it's called. Let's go that way. Oh my God, this thing's been driving me through.
What you hunting?
The ones I had sitting in right on the all. God bless America. They were. Alright, you got your this is where you measure the distance between the center, which is 0. Okay, your bit will be at 0. That'll be dead center. And what you have to do is bring it over. We're going to use this piece here that we ripped off because we want an open channel. Wish I actually had a smaller piece we could use, but I don't. And just center that up. Not move it. Okay, we're like 1/8 of an inch over here, so we're gonna snug that one up.
I'm shaky.
And we're gonna bring this one around to the same mark. Okay, 1/8 of an inch mark. Make sure we didn't move that one. Look, see how it almost moved right there. Tighten it down, tighten it down.
Zoom in on that mark you're talking about.
Right here. And this one here is, that's it.
For the focus.
It's on the money.
Alright.
So, if our measurements are correct, we should be able to lay this one here, turn it on, lay this one right here, just keep our hand on it, push it right into it, and it cut correctly in this right, correct spot.
Well, let me zoom in on that too. I'm hindering him doing my video, but it's interesting. Right. Well, I can't zoom in on it good.
Well, we might need to back out because you know how that daggone camera is. It's a pain in my neck and other portions of my
okay.
body. All right, eyes and ears.
Okay.
And it's in line with the top, but it's going to need just a touch more right here where my fingernail is. Just going to move the gate just a touch so it'll trim that last little bit out there. I don't want it too dang big. But we're going to go ahead and do the entire groove and then come back and move it to where it'll cut.
And that was his test piece.
You know, if I'd put all the little safety features back in place, it would actually work better. Which I don't know, it may not fit under this thing. That may be what I was thinking, it might not fit.
What's that for?
It just directs the
Sawdust?
sawdust away from the face.
Oh, it's blowing all over you, ain't it?
Yep. I forgot about it. I don't know if the wood will go under it or not. Let's see. Yes, it will. So, all right, let's go it again.
Okay.
Here's the factory edge on this piece, and here's the edge with the groove we've cut, and I need to take just a tiny bit more off of here. So I'm going to measure this, extrapolate it on this, move the gate, cut that tiny little bit back out, go back through it once or twice and smooth it out, and we should be good to go.
All right. All right.
There you go, ladies and gents. It took 3 or 4 passes. We got it in there. I might need to go a little deeper with it. Got a little bit of a gap right there on that side. But man, that thing came out pretty daggum nice for somebody who only does this occasionally. What do you think, Kimmo?
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, and you can tell him about the red thing. There was a red piece he was going to put on the router, and he forgot, I guess, because I'm saying, wait a minute, repeat that. I wasn't recording.
Oh, yeah, the red piece is just a...
keep sawdust
like
down.
A shield to keep the dust from flying up. And forgot it, and I didn't want to move the gate again, so I just got covered in sawdust. That's all it was.
Yeah.
It's a tight fit. I think we're going to leave it the heck alone. What do you say, dude?
That sounds good to me. Okay.
Okay, we got it. A dry fit.
Okay, I got him the gadget.
Supposed to strike it right here. All it does is pulls it tight, and I didn't bring a freaking hammer in.
This ain't quite as loud too for videoing.
See how it pushes up blue. Makes a nice tight seal. If I can get the burn wood to cooperate.
Oh, clean up before I ta-da.
This bamboo, there's tiny little slivers of wood that will get you. So you might as well just go ahead and make up your mind. You don't mind splinters in your fingers.
It's called solid bamboo floor, but it's shredded bamboo and glue is what makes it. And then they put that finish on it. And I forget what. If it's not solid bamboo, I think it's got like plywood on the bottom. And a thin coat of this kind of stuff on top. So this is a solid version. And now I think it's hot dog and tater tot time, don't you?
Yay!